Can you see there? Can you see this? Can you see this picture?
Yeah.
Okay, good. This is my name and the place I work in. We will begin with الدعاء. اللهم اغفر لي.
اللهم اغفر لي.
Can you repeat after me, please? اللهم اغفر لي.
اللهم اغفر لي.
ولوالدي.
ولوالدي.
ولكل من له فضل علي.
ولكل من له فضل عليه.
أشكركم. Do you know this حركات?
What is come is a group of PowerPoint. The book is not open.
What?
The book is not open. We can just see PowerPoint.
Yes, I know. I use PowerPoint now, and after that I will change PowerPoint to a book. Okay?
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay. Do you know this حركات Mustafa?
Which harakat is that?
This is فتحة.
But it's not showing.
Okay, this is ضمة. You can see ضمة?
No, we can't see anything.
You can't see anything? Okay.